Okay, this is a race between my son with the 2020 Yamaha PW50 and my little cousin with the 2014 CRF50. Okay, here they come. Damn, PW51. I think he didn't shift into third on the Honda. The Yamaha is fully automatic, so 2-stroke fully automatic versus 4-stroke 3-speed semi-auto. See how they do again. Five-year-old versus 11 or 12-year-old. Okay, this is try number 2. Again, Yamaha versus Honda. I think this is like an 8 mile. I have no idea. Go! No, he messed the gears. You're on first. Wait. You're in neutral. Huh? Wait, hold on. Wait, were you pushing it down?
No.
You put it in neutral.
I did?
Yeah, go up. Wait, hold on.
I just put it in neutral.
You did put it in neutral. Let's try again.
Did I win again?
You won because he made a mistake. Let's try again. Huh?
What mistake did he make?
He didn't shift into gear, into second.
Oh.
He put it in neutral instead. Let's go try again.
Slow?
Yeah. Man, the Honda won by just a little bit. I think he shifted all gears now. Let me ask.
I think we both win.
You both won?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Hey, did you shift to third or just second?
I shifted to third.
Okay. You won this time. I think if it was a longer run, you would have taken it by more distance. Okay, that's a fair race. Yeah, you both won. Yep. I think he beat you by a little bit because we're not satisfied with the results. All right, ready, set, go. Damn, why does he win? I don't know. I think the CRF50 is not being driven properly. Huh?
I did it to third gear and I still didn't win. And I did it all.
You want to try again?
I didn't win. I didn't win.
You won. All right. Ready, set, go. He didn't. Finish line. I think it is just a faster bike. I don't think it's a driver anymore. Yeah, you won again.